The RiDA standard backpack has been designed for ease of use, comfort, and safety. It has bright fluorescent color and silver reflective strips on all sides for visibility, day and night. It features a strong top handle with magnetic release buckle. A top door with long, easy-to-grip zip pulls. A front door with twin vertical zips and Velcro top closure. The front door stops short of the base to make unzipping easier and to provide separation from the floor. It features a mesh external pocket, a large, zipped external pocket for personal items, upper webbing loops for attaching accessories, and lower webbing loop for vehicle mounting. Lower webbing loops are present on the front and both sides. For larger items, the backpack can be expanded by releasing the two vertical zips behind the front door zips and pulling the front section forward. Inside, there are elastic straps to help secure smaller items, one along the back and one on each side. The backpack comes with an internal divider panel that can be suspended at any height with the Velcro tabs. It is hinged to allow it to be used when the backpack is compressed or expanded. When not in use, it can be stored at the base of the backpack. The rear features thick upper and lower back pads, hip pads with waist strap, a chest strap and load lifters. See the setup video for more details on correctly adjusting the backpack fit for comfort and safety.